Now we will learn about constant and static function. For that I create a module and link it as we learned from our previous videos. First I create const fun demo as a regular function. Then I create constant function permissions. Using const as a prefix of function definition, we can create constant function. Constant functions always return same data type and values. Constant functions are compile time functions. Its output must be node at compile time. Here constant function permissions returns static string slice. It is always same value in all run. Now let us test it. It works as I said. Okay, now let us update constant function to return array of str, that is string slice. We can print it with debug symbol and run this. It also works good. Okay, let us improve this so that once again I create a isValid function to check the given str is available in the permissions array. As we expected, it works good. So far we learned about constant function. Next, let us learn something related to static function. For that, I create stat person and added implementation block for that. Within stat implementation block, implPerson, I created associated function new and created method name. We will learn stat and its implementation and associate functions and methods in our future videos. Okay, let me create an instance for person and call associate function and method. Here associate function new and method name is a type of static function because those functions are closely coupled to stat person. This is like JavaScript's class and its static functions. Okay, now run the project. See, person John is created using associated function new and his name is printed using method name and the result is printed. Thank you.